Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to add a receipt to the McDonald's app. It's very easy and simple. First, you need to actually launch the McDonald's app and make sure you've signed into your account. Then just go ahead and tap on your profile or account icon. And from the bottom menu, tap on more, or you can look for rewards or earn points. Then I want you to go ahead and tap on add receipt, or maybe scan receipt depending on your app version or your device. Then you can either manually enter the 12-digit code found at the bottom of this paper receipt, or you can scan the barcode on your receipt, using your phone's camera. And after entering or scanning the code, guys, go ahead and tap on submit to add the points, or you can register your purchase, and you should get a confirmation and see points added to your account. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.